How do? Memento Mori quite literally means, remember, you must die. And why not prolong when you will die? Like, surely that's like what we want to do. We all want to be here on this earth, ultimately living our best lives, but we all find so many excuses to stop that. Eating junk food, drinking excess alcohol, drinking, smoking. I just said drinking twice. And like taking drugs. Like, there's so many things that we put excuses in the way, and we do things that our actions don't ultimately match the life that we want to live. But it's also the same when it comes to like your physical and mental health. How often do you actually put your excuses to one side and you move forward in a positive way to be here for longer? Like, the impact you have on this world is like significant. You know, it's a little bit woo woo, a little bit out there, that, you know, we all have a purpose, and like we are all effectively energy that we put into the universe, and what we put in we get back out. Now, I'm a firm believer of that, and it's much like anything. So like, if you work with a business system, like there's a really old saying, you put crap in, you get crap out. That is literally the same with the universe. So the excuses that you have as to why you can't take 5 minutes per day to work on your mental health, you can't take 15 to 20 minutes per day to work on your physical health, you know, put that together, that's what, 25-30 minutes per day. I guarantee you spend longer on this app per day than you would looking after your physical and mental health. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't consume stuff on social media, and especially if it adds value to your life and does in fact help your mental health. Fantastic. Use that 5 minutes to better your mental health, but then don't go down a rabbit hole. Like, pull yourself away from it and then go and get some steps in. Go and get a quick workout in. There's no reason why, for example, you can't consume something on, say, YouTube, where it's going to enrich your mental health. But you can do that whilst, say, on a treadmill, on a bike, obviously not out in public, on a like spin bike or something, or on a Stairmaster, a cross trainer. Therefore, you're getting both at the same time. Like, there's so many excuses. I don't have time. The kids take up too much time. I'll start Monday. I'll do this. I'll do that. But ultimately, memento mori. Like, one day you are going to die. That is inevitable. That's the one thing that every single person on this planet has in common. We are all going to die. And if that comes to a shock to you, then I'm really sorry to kind of like break that news to you, but we are all going to die. And like I said, we can focus on our physical and mental health and the longevity of our life. You cannot have a strong body without a strong mind, and the other way around. So why not make the most of it while you're here? And I want to plug ever so slightly my 12-week program, Strong Body, Strong Mind. Stronger mind, should I say. But I don't want to plug that whole 12-week program to you. I want to give you the first 4 weeks completely free. Completely free. And yes, that does include the weekly coaching calls. There's no limitation on it. You can do it. You can do it as many times as you want. You can redo the 4 weeks for the rest of the year if you want. I'm okay with that, because I want to add value to you. I want to give you something. So simply like this video and check out the comments below, and you'll find the link to that. And also, while you're there, be sound. Subscribe. Peace.